My poem is life. Life is what happened to you while you are busy making other plans. We became what we think about. Life is what happened to me and what I react to it. Your time is limited. It is so difficult. Lost time is never found again. I am not a product of my circumstance, but I am a product of my decision. Well done is better than well said. Live your life and forget you is every choice you make a change in religion. Don't take life so seriously. You will never get out relief. Never contest motion and action. Never forget the power of silence. That massively disconcerting force which goes on and yesterday in lost night. Today is brand new day. When you make a promise, keep it. Success is not about you have. It is about how you handled what you have. The future belongs to those who prepare it today. My secondly point, the dream which I had seen. The dream of love which I had seen was so beautiful, you know. But the reality was so painful. Anyone would not know why I love you. I still don't know. You left me and took you away. I had tears in my eyes. I just could not say, but still I want to ask, why do you wreck me? My beautiful dream, a dream which I had seen, a beautiful dream which I had seen.